building something here. Ito, after the blue fence, you're gonna see it. Bukang Circus eh. Huge tent. Let me show you. Road closed. Ah, ito pala yung One World Church. One Church. Here we go. Oh, parang circus nga talaga. It is a circus. Ayan o. You see the bleachers?
Ayan. Sabungan, sabungan.
Ayan din. Hindi naman sabungan yan. Euro Extreme Circus. Nakikita ko to sa Facebook. Naliligaw sa ads ko to. Euro Extreme Circus.
Oh.
Aba. Mga British. Tsaka mga French. Mga Italiano.
Ano kaya extreme yan?
Oh, sino ba mga pinakamagagaling na gymnast? Mga Russian no?
Russian.
Siguro yan yung mga trapeze flyer nila, no?
China pa.
China. Eh, hindi naman European yun. Pero sila ang the best. 2 years old pa lang. Pinapa-pretzel. Pretzel na. It's a school day, so University Ave is busy. But we're gonna take a left dito. Welcome to the program. You're watching Sean Bike. My name is Sean Santamaria. Thank you, sir. Okay, punta tayo sa usapang inspiration. Uso ngayon yung content na kailangan very discerning ka kung may inspire ka dun sa napanood mo o hindi, no? Recent events, current events tayo ngayon na mainit ngayon. So, ayan, inspired ka ba sa mga maraming kotse, marangyang bahay, lavish lifestyle? Ingat ka din sa content na kinukonsume mo. And that's what I want to discuss, no, today. Kasi ang content na pinapanood mo, world shaping yan eh.
Usually mga mostly cars ang content, yung mga the usual, kasi para makatulong doon sa ginagawa ko, tsaka para ma-update ko ano yung mga latest na kaiinggitan ko. Yung parang gano'n. Tapos and then syempre yung mga current events natin yan, like yung which is the current issue with DPWH and
News clips, ganyan?
Yeah, news clips, yeah.
Sa kotse, ano yan? Educational and entertainment?
It's more on entertainment on my side. Yung parang I'm just looking back kung saan ako nanggaling. Actually, mostly old school cars pa rin ang hinahanap. Reminiscing somehow.
Kabagaling? Sa bundok. Sa bundok.
Typically 3 sections. First section, trabaho, design. So whether that's planning in general or mga bahay-bahay or estate, since nagtatrabaho ko sa real estate firm. So yun yung usual. And everyday, ginagawa ko yun for the past almost 30 years. Second, current events, no? So yung local, sawa na ako, nabubuisit na ako kasi as you mentioned, yung lavish lifestyle, okay lang maging lavish lifestyle ka basta yung pinanggalingan ng pera mo, wala kang niyurakan at legal mo nakuha yun. Okay, so sawa na ako, yan. So ang third ko,
nasa space mo pa, may singit lang. Sa building, nasa Okay. Basta
Ang third,
usapang bato, tsaka semento, tsaka ano eh. Anyway, go.
Yun. Ang third, pinaka-critical, geopolitical. For all we know, whether or not it happens, dapat prepared tayo. So, yun. Dapat military ako eh. Yun yung problema, hindi ako natuloy doon. Ko lang kung kaya kong gawin yun.
Kompleto ba lahat ng MS mo sa ROTC? Wala.
Ano ako eh. Corcom ako nung high school.
Okay, ako nag-cheerleader ako kaya napasan ko yan eh.
Yun.
Bibigyan mo ko ng
Akala ko
baril. Pag marchain mo ako, pagkapangin mo ako, hindi ko magagawa yan.
Akala ko nagbebenta ka ng ng turon at saka mananakyo.
Hindi. Nag-cheerleader ako sa NCAA.
Ano ka eh? Point system eh. Tapos makikita mo yung ang gusto ko sa F1, yung challenge ng
We're approaching the thing again. I see the sign Euro Extreme Circus. Init siguro yan. Unless tatakpan yung sides, no? Tapos air condition. Pwede naman yan eh. Na mainit pa rin. Insulation pa rin ang usapan dyan eh. Ano ba pinapanood ko? Typically news programs, no? Political shows, political podcasts kapag nasa road ako when I'm riding. When I'm home, habang nagkakape, YouTube, no? Political shows. Nanonood ba ako ng cycling content? Yes. Like these days, La Vuelta. Kapag may Grand Tours, I always watch. I don't watch full races, but I manage to I make it a point to watch highlights in the morning. I want to be updated sa races, of course. The irony with me though is that I don't watch cycling vlogs. Medyo weird kasi I'm a cycling vlogger myself, but I don't watch cycling vlogs. Ang pinaka-content na siguro na kino-consume ko when it comes to cycling vlogging per se, mga repairs and maintenance, no? If there's something that I want to learn, no? Yun siguro, mga repairs. Pero yung mga lifestyle, mga rides to certain places, yung mga daily cycling vlog, hindi ako masyado dyan eh. Yeah, that's just the way it is. I also watch a lot of music content. Not necessarily music videos, but mga song breakdowns, guitar section tutorials, drums and piano. One of my favorite channels of all time is Drumeo. No? And lately I've been watching Pianote. So check those channels out if you're a music person. Varied eh. Oh, Wish Bus. Paborito natin yan. You also watch a lot of self-help, self-improvement, business content. Heavy tayo dyan. Mapa podcast man o mapa YouTube. Mga motivational, leadership, psychology. Love stuff like that. Inggitero ka ba? I guess that's a question that needs to be answered ultimately. Pinapanood mo ba? May idol ka and do you aspire to be that person? No? Paghanga ba o inggit? Minsan magkahalo na yan, and I tell you that's normal. And I want to answer the question myself, inggitero ba ako? I could say at this point in my life, hindi. Maybe it comes with age. It comes with a certain status that you acquire through the years. You know, I'm not an old dude, but I'm pretty old para maging inggitero pa. Right? If you're my age, I think you kind of have an idea. And what I said earlier in the vlog, I'll say it again. Reflection, yung mga pinapanood mo ng kung sino ka, di ba? The content that you consume shapes your world, shapes your worldview. Morning! Diyan ka ngayon, ha? So we're near home, and to close, I guess I want to say thank you to you right now. Ikaw na nanonood. Dahil kahit papano, nabibigyan mo ng panahon ng video na to. And if you've been a long time subscriber, thanks. Salamat sa tiwala. Just a simple dude with a passion for cycling and talking. And your being here is much appreciated. Salamat.